Fix massive FPS drops in FC 26 and how to play online in FC 26 in 2026. Let's dive into the fix. Search run on desktop and type %. LocalAppData %. Search for EA Sports FC 26 and open the folder. Go to Settings. Open Override Autodetect.lua. Change this value exactly like this, and make sure set strand-based hair to 0. Save the file and exit. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Right-click on the file and go to Properties. There, go to Security. Click on Edit and select your username. Below, check Deny on right, as I've shown in here. Click Apply and OK. In the previous folder EA Sports FC 26, open FC setup.ini. Place all the value. Just like this, and also, make sure to set strand-based hair to 0. On the Properties, check Read Only. Let's play online in FC 26. In the menu, go to Season. Make sure you are connected to the EA server. Wait a few seconds and play match. Enjoy. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like if the video helps. Leave a like and subscribe to channel and check out my other fixes heads up to description box. Comment if the video helps or not.
After days of